Hi and welcome to Help Please tutorials. Today we're going to see how to check tax in Segurança Social in 2026. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. First, open your browser and go to the official Segurança Social website. Click on Segurança Social Direta. Now log in using your NISS number and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register first. Once you're logged in, go to Conta Corrente or Pagamentos. Here you can check your contributions, amounts paid, amounts due, any pending tax or social security payments. If you are self-employed, open the Trabalhador Independente section to see your declared income and contribution values. Take your time and review each line carefully. All amounts shown are official and updated by Segurança Social. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.